Assalamu alaikum. Today I am working on the sound eh, the formation of eh sound. This is eh, how to make eh sound, how to write. First, put the pencil, go to horizontal, go up and make curve. Very simple. Go to horizontal, make up, go up and make curve. This is eh, the sound of eh. And how to write this, I just tell you. First, make a horizontal line, little horizontal line, make, go up and make curve like this. Little horizontal line, go up and make curve. This is a sound. A is make an eye and turn around. A is make an eye and turn around. Simple. And here is the formation. Here is the vocabulary of a sound. This is E, the letter E, and the sound is a. Eagle, eagle, eagle. Earring, earring. Ear, ear. This is earth, earth, earth. East, east. This is a direction. East. Eat, eating. This is eating, eating, eating. Eel, eel. Eel is a kind of a fish. This is eel. Egg, egg. Egg like oval shape. Egg. Elastic, elastic. Elbow. This is elbow, elbow. Part of the body. Elbow. This is elephant, a big animal. Elephant. This is elephant. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. After the sound is, इसमें फ नहीं कहना, तो सिर्फ आवाज़ निकालनी है. After and the formation of is, see this page. F is like a walking stick. It's just like a walking stick, like this. This is just like a walking stick. First little round, first little round, go down and line across. First little, make a round, little round, just little round, go down and line across. Is just like a walking stick. Look at this. You may see the formation in a written form. Is like a walking stick. First little round and down with a line across. Okay, now I am writing here how to write. First little round, go down, line across. This is the sound of. Again, first little round, go down and line across. Fish, fish. And you can see the vocabulary of sound. This is F, the letter F, and this is the sound F. Letter F and the sound F. For face, for face, part of our body. Face, face. For fairy, for fairy, for fairy. For falcon, falcon. Falcon is a bird. For fan, for fan. For feather, feather, feather. for fence, for fence, for finger, 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 fire engine, fire engine, fish, fish, flag, flag, flask, this is flask. Assalamu alaikum ji. After the sound formation of sound, now we are starting the sound, working on the sound g, g, g. First we do this sound a, f, and then now working on g sound, g. How we make g? It's very simple and very easy. First make go up, down and little curve. First make go up, down and little curve. This is g, the sound of g. How do we write this sound? It's very simple. First make little up, then go down and little curve. This is g. Again, first make little go up, down and little curve. This is g, the sound of g. And now we can see the vocabulary. So, first we see the letter G. This is letter G and the sound is g. Letter G and the sound is g. Gate, 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 gate. Garden, garden, garden. Geezer, geezer. Gift, gift, gift. Ginger, ginger. This is a root vegetable. Ginger. Giraffe, giraffe. A giraffe has a long tail, long neck. A giraffe has a long neck. This is giraffe. Girl. We can see a girl, girl. Glass, glass. Globe, globe. Gloves, gloves. Goat, goat. Goat. Assalamu alaikum. Here we can see the sound h, h. We have done the sound g. G after, which sound comes after g? It's ha, ha. And you can see the formation of her sound. This is her is down and down, go up and bumpty. Her is down and down, go up and bumpty. Like this. Put the pencil or finger, just go down and down, little up and make bumpty. Again, put the finger of your child, go down and down, little up and make bumpty. Bumpty. ये जो बम्पटी होते हैं ना, इसका कर्व ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. कर्विंग पे आप लोगों ने सबसे पहले काम करना है. पहले ख बनवाना है. जैसे पहले मैंने भी अपनी वीडियो में बताया था कि जब भी आप बच्चों को राइटिंग स्टार्ट करवाएं तो पहले ख करवाएं. LOC जो सबसे पहले हम करवाते हैं, तो ख करवाएं. फिर इसी तरीके से ख के बाद अपोजिट डायरेक्शन ऑफ ख करवाएं. उसके बाद आप इसको इस फॉर्म में करवाइए. देन डाउन फॉर्म में करवा दिया, फिर अप फॉर्म में करवा दिया. अगर आपने ये 4 डायरेक्शन बच्चे को करना सिखा दी तो बाद में उसके लिए बहुत इजी हो जाता है राइटिंग करना. ओके, तो ये इसमें भी वही डायरेक्शन आ रही है. जस्ट you have to put the finger of the finger of your child and go down and down, little up and make bumpty. Simple. Just like this. Put a pencil, go down and down, little up and make a bumpty. Put the pencil, go down and down, little up and make a bumpty. It's h, the sound of h. And now you can see the vocabulary of h sound. First see this is h, the letter H and the sound h, H and the sound h, half, आधा. जैसे we can see the watermelon and this is half, ha half, ha hammer, ha hand, ha handkerchief, ha hanger, ha happy. The boys